lucky if you're looking for me, find me in the night. I got nothing when I fight, I wanna take your fucking life and end it right. On sight when I strike, if you walk, better bite. Black eye for the cop, pop a 6-shot drop. Then I tried to the rocks with me on blood clot. Red dot, body drop when I cocked. Then I saw no tune, no plot. Throw 'em off for the yacht and dock with the side of the skull hanging in the fucking river. Oh, super size 666, 59, so cynical.
Got a pound to the ground, I'm lounging. Over to the round, I'm drowning. Climb to the top of the top.
Swerve in the motherfucking all white crowd. Back blue like now, yes, I red down. Let's all up from my cup because he broke another round, yeah. Got the town lit up by the flame that I made from my grave. 7-day big grave for the plague on the 7-day grave. Bodies laying like dead.
Still got that badge, still got that gun, still got the pass, still got the stun, still got that cash, bitch, I burn it for fun, but the Glock in my skull, then I
Yeah, Southside suicide, kill yourself, hope. Say you getting money, but your number don't show, you a liar. Baseball bat, fully wrapped in barbed wire. For anyone that's tryna get buyers, I've been thinking a lot. I see these rappers tryna get in my spot. Raw told me, you gotta get it how you live. Told that bitch you better get up on my biz. Big ol' breath ass hoe with a face like this. You want the issue with no more blow, that more flow, see the tissue. I got a side piece so I can really do an interview. Don't come close to me, I'm not the one to really do it how it's supposed to be. Independent till that label to get over me. I'm over here with my peers getting rich, point blank before I bring her to the crib, make sure that bitch don't stink. Ain't no rules to the game, talk how you want, walk how you want. My job is the shit, I used to clean up shit for the rim of the toilet. Now I'm getting money, I don't gotta pack a pistol. Okay, baby, cause jealousy make a man go crazy. Money make a motherfucker hate me. 1,000 bitches, they all wanna date me.